pretty blingy, but yeah, it's got a nice... Oops. It's just a nice... I've just got this in the haul. I just like it. Yeah, I just like it. What a great thing to say. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing very well. I have got a B&M haul. Of course I have. In today's video, yeah, I've been collecting things. So I've just gathered some of it together so that I could just show you some of the great things that they've got in at the moment. I got a couple of bits for Toby's birthday that's just gone, which I think would be really good Christmas gifts actually. And then yeah, some nice home decor. So yeah, I thought I would show you everything because I love to show you what I've been buying from these shops. I have spotted actually, I saw on the B&M Instagram that they have got some really cute little pumpkins. I would like to go and have a little look to see whether they've got any in the B&M near me, because they've got some really nice decorative pumpkins in there. So yeah, keep an eye out for them if you're decorating for autumn. Yeah, they've got some nice little bits in. I love that there is like pumpkin themed things everywhere. I'm going to do a video decorating for autumn, I think, just getting the house all cozy. So yeah, look out for that one. But yeah, I'll get straight into today's video and show you everything in my B&M haul. First thing I'm going to show is this little rug. It's like a runner. That's how big it is. I do wish it was a little bit longer, I'm not gonna lie. It's in the hallway. I've already had it in the hall for a few days, but yeah, I just liked that it was this marble pattern. It was £15. It'd be great if it was a little bit longer, if it was like a proper runner size. This is the small rug. They also do it in a bigger size, so if you wanted it in a living room or bedroom or whatever, they've got a bigger rectangle size one as well that you can get. But yeah, they've got some really nice rugs in. I thought this looked quite expensive and fancy. Obviously I go for the blingier side of things because I know that it's pretty blingy, but yeah, it's got nice... Oops. And I've just got this in the hallway, just goes really nice with everything, all the silvers. But yeah, definitely noticed some much nicer rugs in there lately. They've got some like gorgeous fluffy ones, like really luxurious fluffy ones that would be great in a bedroom, but like cream fluff. So they just wouldn't stay nice for very long in my house, but they are so nice. Yeah, so lots of gorgeous things for autumn and getting your house all cozy. So yeah, that was £15 for that. I also picked this up, and I've been eyeing this up for a while. It's not a tray. Technically it's not a tray. Like, I've got a little bit of an obsession with trays, if you don't know. Basically what I use it for is in the kitchen with a vase of flowers on it. I just really like it. I like the pattern on it, I like the colour of it. So yeah, it just lives in the kitchen. I don't know how much I paid for this because I've used it. Like I say, I've just been gathering things around. I think it was only a few quid, but it's just got this little flower on the middle, and yeah, it's a nice serving board, so you can put a nice cheese board on there. Some cheeses, grapes, bit of bread, very nice. It's nice on top of a hob as well. If you put your flowers on top of the oven, you could put this on there. Just a nice little decoration to go around the kitchen, so that's where I use this. Right, this next thing I was really excited to spot, because so I had a jar that my friend bought me that I kept Oreos in, dropped it on the floor, devastated. Have been looking out for one, and I found this one. Let me just see how much it was actually, because it's bigger than the one that I had. £5, which I don't think is bad at all considering it is huge. I've obviously already had some Oreos in it. There were a lot more. Something happened to quite a few of them. I got the Oreos from B&M as well, and they were 59p per pack. I think I put 5 packs in here, which still wasn't enough to fill it to the top. And obviously, as you can see, oh, they're all falling. A lot of them have gone, so I need to do a bit of a restock. But yeah, this was £5, which I just love them. A few of these with all sorts of things in these just look really nice. I just love to put everything in a jar. But yeah, I'm going to get some more Oreos, fill it right up to the top, and then just try and resist eating them all, because I think I am the worst one for dipping in this display Oreo jar. But yeah, I just love having stuff like this on the side in the kitchen. They're really nice as well. I think things like this at Christmas time, I just would put like baubles and things in them. I think it's a nice decoration as well. Just filling them up with things like that. Doesn't have to be food. Some lights and some baubles. I think it'd be a really nice little decoration around the house. Really inexpensive as well. So yeah, £5, what a bargain. I think that's great because it's a huge jar as well. I also bought a diffuser. Now this, obviously I've taken it out of the box already. This smells so nice. This was £4. It's really strong scented as well. It's willow and bay, vanilla and amberwood. It smells gorgeous. I've just got it in the toilet room. It's just so nice. So I would definitely recommend this one. It smells really expensive, like it's not a nasty cheap smell. They have so many diffusers in there. I just think they're such good gifts for people. Great little thing to put in hampers at Christmas. Things for around the house is nice, like around the house hamper, and I love anything that smells like vanilla. The packaging is really nice as well. It'd be nice in a bathroom, you know, it's like quite spa like with the bamboo and everything. So yeah, £4 for that. Would definitely recommend this scent. I also got another one of these towels. I did buy one of these last time I went to B&M and put it in a haul. These are £4 each. They have got a lighter colour grey as well. Somebody asked me if they did a bigger towel in it, and I haven't seen one, so I'm not sure that they do. I would have got some face cloths in it as well if they did them, but I didn't see any in my B&M. But yeah, £4 for this, just a nice hand towel. So I just think it is a nice expensive looking towel, and yeah, I just really like the colour of it, so I thought I'd get one. I'd get another one. Why get one when you can have two? And then a couple of bits I got for Toby for his birthday, just to add to his presents. I got him, because he's game mad, absolutely obsessed, loves his PlayStation, so I got him a PlayStation money box. These are the kind of things that I think are such good stocking fillers, great Christmas gifts. This was only £4, I think. Oh, £6 money box, which it just comes in this box here. But yeah, how good is that? He's going to be able to keep lots of money in that, because it is huge. But it's just nice to be on show in his room as well. Like, I like to try and find things, because of the way his bed is. It's like, it's a gaming bed, but it's got like loads of little shelves. I like to try and find things to put on show that's game related, so it sort of kills two birds with one stone. But yeah, I thought that was quite good, great for Christmas. It's down that Christmas gift aisle that is starting to fill up quite nicely now. And another game related item I got him was this. This was £15, I think. These light up. I bought something, I think I bought the same thing for my nephew once upon a time. And yeah, another thing that will look good in his bedroom, and it is obviously the PlayStation icon lights. So he loves these, of course, because anything to do with the PlayStation, he's obsessed. So again, down the gift aisle, if you've got a gamer to buy for this Christmas or birthdays, then they've got a really good selection of things. I noticed a lot of really cool mugs. There was no point really me getting them mugs, because you don't really drink out of them, but they've got a lot of cool gamer mugs and little gamer accessories. So I'm definitely going to be able to find lots more for them for Christmas and for stocking fillers. So yeah, that was £15 for that. I also bought a 3-pack of these face cloths, which I think look quite nice and expensive as well, for just £2.50. So you're talking obviously less than £1 per cloth. Just a ribbed grey face cloth. I just tend to have these rolled up. I put them on the bath board. Yeah, they're just quite nice of things. I think you put them in a little basket, have lots on display. I've said this before about them. They go nice in hampers as well, especially if you do like a beauty hamper or anything for somebody as a gift. Then you could get a pack of these and put a few face cloths in. A nice little thing to go in things like that. So yeah, I bought a 3-pack of them. And then just to show you something that I got sent. This isn't from B&M, but they do sell this range, very good range, in B&M. This is a PR product. It was gifted to me so that I could show you guys some of the products that they do at the Skinny Food Company. And I've never tried their stuff before, and so many people rave about all of the things that they offer. So I'm really looking forward to trying a lot of it, to be honest, because everything that they've sent is things that I'm definitely going to be using. So firstly, I've got the salted caramel 0 calorie coffee syrup, which is great for me because I like a sweet coffee a lot of the time. Like, I will have my instant coffee in the morning, but if I'm out and I go to Costa or something, then I will always have something with sugar-free caramel in it. So this is going to be great for me to try. I hope it's not like artificial tasting. Oh, it smells really nice. But yeah, I'm going to pop some of that in one of my coffees. I want to get like a full coffee bar set up in the kitchen soon, especially for autumn, because I want all of the nice cinnamon, I want my hot chocolate stuff everywhere, so I just want everything set up so this can go nicely with all of that. What else have we got? Dylan is hounding me for this. He is desperate to try it. It is chocolate spread, but it is 92% less sugar. And the fact that it doesn't have any palm oil in it either is even better. But yeah, we love a little bit of Nutella and chocolate spread in this house, well, me and Dill. So if this hasn't got much sugar in it, then that is a winner, because Nutella is horrendous, isn't it? So per 5-gram serving, you've got 25 calories in that. So that is probably so much less. I don't actually know how bad Nutella is, but hopefully that's going to be nice. He's desperate to have some of that. I'm looking forward to trying it as well. But yeah, they do so many products, don't they, this Skinny company. I have seen, every time I go into B&M, I feel like there is just more and more of a range. And they've also got these, which I'm excited for. Ooh. This is a zero calorie. How do they do that? Billionaire Shortbread Skinny Syrup. So I think this would be quite nice if you do like baked oats to flavour things with. Put it on ice cream. It does say you can put it in coffee as well. Gluten-free, fat-free, zero calorie, vegan friendly, sugar-free, diabetes friendly. It's just like, what is in it? Not a lot. Pancakes, ice cream, yogurts, fruit and coffee. How good does that sound? I love anything that's like that sort of flavour as well. And then we've also got virtually zero burger relish for dipping, dressing, cooking, marinating and basting. So that has got plenty of uses as well. I want to just have a little... Oh, it smells really nice. It does smell like proper burger relish as well. I'm looking forward to giving these a try. If you haven't seen this range, I know there is a massive amount of it, like I say, in B&M. A huge thank you to the Skinny company for sending these to me. I am really looking forward to trying them out. I'm sure I'm going to love them and try different recipes with them. So yeah, have a little look at their range if you are looking for low calorie, less sugar sort of sauces, syrups. They just do so many different things. So yeah, it's a good little range. And that's all I've got to show you in today's video. That is my lot. Of course I've got more coming up because I've bought stuff from Home Bargains as well, so it's just never ending. I don't even know where I put everything. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little haul and I would love to see you again for my next one. Take care everyone. Bye.